friends, we are back in Gravity 2. Your coach Magnifico is in the house. So today, amigos, we're going to look at another part of Module 4, Lesson 7. So let's look at the problem. The problem says, let me write problem here. This is our column. Okay. Aurelia buys 2 dozen roses. Of these roses, comma, 3/4 are red and the rest are white. How many white roses did she buy? Okay, so now the first thing we gotta do is set up the problem in this way. We gotta first find out the information. What is the 2 dozen of roses? So those of you guys who know that 1 dozen equals 12. So 2, you have to multiply the 2 times 12, and that will be 24. So on this problem, we have 24 roses. Now, it says that 3/4 of them are, 3/4 of the 24 are red. So let's do that. 3/4 of 24 are red. So let's write this down. Let's use a tape diagram to solve this problem. Here's our tape diagram, my friends. And remember, the tape diagram represents the whole, which is how many roses, and that means 24 of them. Now, the denominator says how many groups we have here. So we're going to divide this into 4 parts. And it says that 3 of those 4s are, let me see, are red. So 3 of these are red. So three groups of those are red. Okay, now let's do our mathematics here. So the first thing we say is that 4 units, unit 1, 2, 3, 4, equals 24 roses. Now we want to know how much is 1 unit. And that will be 24 over 4. So now why do we do that? Because we want to know how much is 1 group. So now if you do the division, will be 24 divided by 4. And we know that 4 times 6 equals 24. So the answer should be 6. 6 times 4 equals 24, and the remainder is 0. Okay, now we know that 1 unit has 6 roses. Now, we only looked at 1 unit, so that goes right here. But if that's 1 unit, then every unit equals 6. However, we want to know, in our problem, we want to know how many 3 units out of 4 are red. So we're going to do this right here. So 3/4 of, excuse me, let me erase that. 3/4 of 24 equals, so if we have 1 unit, that will be, we have to multiply 3 units times the 6, and that will equal 18. So if you look at this right here, so 18 red roses. So now if we look up here to our tape diagram, it is true. So these are red, and if you add them up, equals 18. So now the question is, how many white roses did she buy? Well, if you look at the tape diagram again, these are the white roses. So now we can answer the questions. She bought 6 white roses. And you can also do a subtraction. 24 minus 18 roses, that will give you six roses left. Okay, so we can do that here again. Let me show you. So it's gonna be 24 roses minus 18 roses that are red. These are red. The remainder will be 6, and these will be white roses. My friends, watch this video, pay attention, listen to the information, and you make a decision to see if you want access granted. Okay? Signing out, your coach, Mr. Magnifico.